5. Guys, that's part 5. Did we make a mistake? Like ito.
Okay, today we just guys, I'm gonna stay up first.
We wake up early, that's why. We wake up early and we're going to go home already.
Yeah.
Now let's go change.
So happy to stay here.
Ira, you already fixed the stuff. Go, pack your things.
I'm packing my things.
I packed this hammer.
Pack.
Packing
Okay,
my
gonna
things. Good. There's my money and our clothes. You get your money and clothes. We have so many pera. That's why we spend on it to go here. Let's go na. It's so creepy at night to. Diba, Ira?
Not.
It's so creepy to me. It's look like someone's going to come.
It's gonna worry.
Wait lang nga, we have those sasakyan karod. The sasakyan na lang. Because the other one is in the bahay. So scary at night. Pumamay na to. Kung sa our bahay kaya.
You forgot is there.
Ayun nga. Our bahay is that there gayab.
It's there, I said.
It's not to. It's in the other island.
Not tomorrow. You can see. I thought it's there.
Me? Ay, confusing. Let's go. We need to get a boat.
I know po, Mama, that's our house. Oh, you can see that.
Our house is there kaya eh.
I know po ka, Mama.
And you know na it's our house the gaya mo.
Ay,
Hindi. When I delete the house kaya eh.
ha? Why you delete it? That's so sayang house na.
Like where we are going
Ay,
kaya.
you need to delete it para I have a room.
Our bahay is far away.
You forgot you delete our house na there.
Yes, I delete it.
And one, two, members ng ganito. Yung ng ganito. Parang ahas na ko ni Tilang sa mo. Tibigan mo, bebe. Mommy, so tagal.
It's tagal-tagal talaga. After 1 hour. After 1 hour. So, when you're alone and there's something in per cabin, it's mumu kaya. Oh. This is my room and your other room is there. Fixing it.
Don't see me guys, I'm palit-palit.
Malil. I'm invisible, guys. So that's why you cannot kita me.
Okay, ang dali ko, di ba? You can, kaya bawal to si Mami. O, to de.
Part 6 soon and part 6 is in the end. Me.
Bukas is part 6. Bye. Boy, I'm leaving. Part 6.
And now guys, this will be short so you're not taking so long. Bye.